you all are doing amazing. I was extremely anxious for today's word. But then I thought, why not to discover the word anxious itself? So, anxious means feeling worried or nervous about something that's going to happen. Like when you're waiting for your exam results and your tummy feels like it's full of jumping frogs. Or when you're about to go on stage and your heart is going like thump, thump, thump. But guess what? Anxious can also be in a good way. Like when you're counting down your birthday or can't wait to open a mystery gift. So remember, anxious is your brain and heart saying, something's coming. Get ready. Now, don't be anxious. Just be awesome and use it today. See you tomorrow with another fun word on Vocab with Aileen. Take care. Bye.